Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to get rid of your SOS icon on the top of your phone, because as you can see, you see my Wi-Fi signs and my coverage bars. There are like 4 or 5 right now in my battery, and instead of my coverage bars you will see your SOS icon over there. So how can you make sure they go away? Well, take your drop down menu, slide it down and click on airplane mode. Just let it sit for like 4 or 5 seconds, maybe 10 if you have the time. Then click again on airplane mode. And now you see it's searching your provider. In this case it's Vodafone. It can also say T-Mobile or the provider you have. And a lot of the times it will make sure your SOS icon is gone. So if it's not gone, it can mean that you're not on the Wi-Fi, so you can tap on your Wi-Fi button, but it can also mean you don't have coverage. So maybe you're in a basement, or maybe you're at a place you don't have connection, really good connection. So make sure you're at a place where your connection is very good. Not in the basement, just in a public space, and try the airplane mode technique over there. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you can turn your phone on and off and see if it helps. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.